American Crafts to show you our new color pour line. It's so exciting, so much fun. This is the pearl powder, and it's really, really awesome. It makes your painting really shimmery, and you really see it well when it's dried and you see it as the finished piece. You just kind of add it to your wet paint and then you pour it, and it comes out really beautifully. Now when you're adding, I like to add about half a teaspoon per ounce. That gives it a really nice shimmer. Of course, you can add a little more if you feel like you should. And so you're going to want to mix it in. It's not going to show up real strong right now, but the pearl powder will show nicely in the end and give it a nice shimmer. We've got a few options of the pearl powders. So silver, blue, got a nice copper color, hot pink. We've got this really nice kind of light champagne-y color. And I like that for this nice peach color. I think they'll mix really well. Now we're going to pour all of our colors into this larger cup. And we're going to want to go from lightest to darkest, unless you have metallics, in which case pour metallics first and then go lightest to darkest. Perfect. Now, most important, do not mix your paints. Leave it like this. Now let it sit for 12 hours. Don't move it, don't touch it, just let it do its thing. Once it's dried, you're really going to be able to see the pearl powder pop. It's going to look nice, shimmery, exactly what you want. It's been so much fun doing color pour. Hope you have so much fun doing it yourself, and I'll see you later.